Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a crochet cord. Crochet cord that I'll be making. Very simple, very easy. We're gonna chain 3, 2 and 3. Now we're gonna pick up these loops. 1, 2, 2. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. We're gonna drop 2, and now we're gonna hold these 2 down with your thumb. Gonna yarn over and pull up on this one. You're gonna go through and pull up on this one. You're gonna go through this one and pull up the loop through this one. This is what we have. Now we're gonna drop these 2 loops again. We're gonna pick up this loop, pull through. You're gonna pick up the loop and pull through this other loop. We're gonna repeat it for this 3rd one. That's the way it goes, like this continuously. We're gonna drop those 2 loops. You're gonna pick up and pull through. Pick up and pull through. Pick up and pull through. You see what a beautiful cord this is making. You're gonna drop these 2 loops again, pull through, pull through. You have to be very careful not to lose your loops. Pull through. We have 3 loops again. We're gonna drop those 2 loops. Pull through. Gonna pull through. You're gonna pull through. You're gonna drop those 2 loops. You're gonna pull through. Pull through. Pull through. And you're gonna continue in this way until you have get your desired length of cord that you require. So I'm gonna continue on with this pattern until I get the length that I need for the waist of the short. Okay, this is what we have. It's very beautiful. Okay, so the 3 loops. Now to end this off, just gonna yarn over and pull through all 3 loops and make 1 more chain. Now we can cut our yarn.